In this tutorial, we will share step-by-step instructions on how to install and use the Epic Pen application. First, we will visit the software's website. On the home page of the software's website, we can see download links, including free ones. There are differences in software features between the basic free version and the paid version. Many professional tools are not available in the free version. We will prefer the free version here. You can select the download link according to your operating system. Let's take a look at the introductory information about the Epic Pen on the software website. How does it work? Epic Pen never interrupts your work when you're drawing on top of any application on Windows or Mac. You can continue to use your applications smoothly, even when there are drawings on the screen. The user-friendly interface makes it easy to use. Its dedicated tools for education and training work seamlessly with your web browsers or Windows and Mac applications. It offers conveniences that improve teamwork and communication. You can annotate your presentations, graphs and charts, and more. It's well suited for distance learning and remote working. Epic Pen works with popular apps like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Hangouts, and Hopin. The Epic Pen features multi-touch, pressure sensitivity, drawing and cropping capabilities, as well as a convenient shortcut keypad. Add highlighter marks and annotations using the pen and highlighter feature. You can take a snapshot of any part of your screen and save it to any folder or copy it directly to the clipboard. You can color your graphics and annotations with the color palette. You can get detailed information about the software from the frequently asked questions section. We have downloaded Epic Pen's installation file, and now we can move on to the installation phase. We drop the installation file in a visible place on the desktop. One thing we want to do just before installation is to provide you with the scan results from the virus total site. We select the installation file and then scan, and yes, the scan is clean. Select our language preference and continue. We run the installation file. We continue the installation steps with the usual preferences. Once the installation is complete, it offers either a professional version or a trial version or a free version of the Epic Pen software. In this tutorial, we will continue with the free version. My application opens automatically. We pick it up and move it to any side of the desktop as we see fit. You can hide or show the entire tool panel by clicking on the icon, and it also allows you to hide or show drawings and shapes you've made. After setting the thickness and color, let's write or draw something on the screen with the pen tool. The writing tool allows us to write smoother notes on the screen. After adjusting the thickness and color, let's mark the text we wrote on the screen with the highlighter tool to make it more prominent. Let's take a brief look at the features of the line, rectangle, ellipse and arrow tools in the Pro version. There is a free trial option when you hover over it, but here we will review what is explained in the visual presentation. We can also draw an arrow shape using the pen tool, or you can design shapes limited by your imagination. We use the eraser tool to erase the last tick drawing we created. We scribbled something with the pen tool as a test, and we can undo it with the undo option. With the clean screen option, we completely erase all our drawings, writings and shapes on the screen. For pens and highlighters, we can adjust the thickness from thin to thick. Let's take a look at another feature of the Epic Pen Pro version, the whiteboard and blackboard features. Again, there is a free trial option for these. We continue to use free features, but we're going to try a completely different practice for white background and black background. Isn't it an interesting experience to open a text document and make it full screen? We have other ideas for backgrounds in different colors. For example, black can be one of them. You can make your presentations much more emphasized and understandable by using a combination of tools while explaining the topics in your presentations. You can use the screen capture tool to make your work on the screen permanent and save it. Here, we undo all the drawings one by one and finally delete them completely. A tab opens from the menu button on the toolbar, and when we hover over it, a panel opens where we can see and change the settings of the application. In the Settings section, we can change the shortcuts according to our preferences. When we click on Help from the menu, another panel opens. If we enter the Tutorial section in this panel, it directs us to the software's website. This section is an illustrated user guide and tutorial showing how to use the Epic Pen. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to receive notifications for new videos. See you again soon, and thanks for watching.